It is with great pride and deep appreciation that I sit before you today to officially commission the Maumi Multipurpose Evacuation Center. Facility represents so much more than just concrete and roofing. It embodies our shared vision for resilient, safe, and empowered rural communities. Today, we celebrate the completion of an infrastructure project and also the beginning of a stronger and more secure future for the people of Maumi. This center is a key output of the national project titled Strengthening National and Community Resilience to Disaster and Displacement Risks in the Republic of Fiji. This initiative aims to reduce vulnerabilities, increase preparedness, and builds the capacity of our communities to respond effectively to both natural and human-induced disasters. It is a powerful example of what can be achieved when local leadership, national coordination, and international partnership comes together for a common goal. I thank the International Organization for Migration for serving as a facilitating agency, working closely with our communities to ensure the project was implemented to high technical standards while remaining locally grounded. I also commend Save the Children Fiji, who delivered critical capacity building training on evacuation, center ownership and management, helping to build local knowledge and strengthen the sustainability of this facility over the long term. I also wish to thank our partners in the Government of Korea for the funding capacity that enabled this project to take root and be celebrated today. And at the national level, our National Disaster Risk Management Office served as the project's coordinating body. And through its leadership, we have ensured that the project aligns with Fiji's broader disaster risk management policies and community resilience strategies. I also wish to sincerely acknowledge the Office of the Community Central and the Provincial Administrator's Office for Tailevu Province for their tireless logistical support and coordination at the local level. The hands-on involvement has been instrumental in guiding the project from initial planning to completion. And to the Vanua and people of Maumi, I offer my heartfelt thanks. Your patience, cooperation, and sense of community ownership have been at the heart of this project's success. This center was built with your needs in mind. It belongs to you. And I encourage you to use it, maintain it, and value it as a shared community resource for current and future generations. As we all know, Fiji continues to face increasing risks from tropical cyclones, flooding, sea level rise, and displacement. And in this reality, evacuation centers are no longer a luxury. They have become a necessity. They provide shelter during emergencies, save lives, and serve as coordination hubs during disaster response. But equally important is what happens after the disaster, when the need for community rebuilding and resilience becomes even more urgent. By commissioning this center today, we are affirming that building resilience means more than just preparing for the worst. It also means creating opportunities, deepening local capacity, and ensuring that development is inclusive and sustainable. We must continue to push for solutions that serve both immediate needs and long-term goals, and this facility does just that. This initiative reflects our ministry's wider commitment to making disaster risk reduction a practical reality and not just a policy document. It reminds us that meaningful development happens when communities are placed at the center, when we listen, when we partner, and when we plan both today and tomorrow in mind. In closing, I extend once again my deepest thanks to all our partners from Korea, IOM, NDRMO, Commissioner Central, and the PA Tailevu team for your collaboration, your dedication, and your belief in the strength of community-led development. And to the people of Maumi, I urge you to take full ownership of this center. Let it become a symbol of your resilience, your progress, and your hope for a safer, stronger future.